Are you currently struggling with a pesky hosting or DNS error that is preventing your website from loading correctly? Dealing with connectivity issues can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need your site to be live and accessible to your audience. In this video, I am going to guide you through the exact steps to fix your hosting or DNS issues quickly and easily so you can get your domain back online without any technical headaches. This process involves checking your name server configuration and ensuring everything is pointing to the right place. Before we dive into the technical details, please take a quick moment to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest channel tutorials. First things first, you need to navigate to your hosting or dashboard. Once you have logged into your account, you'll want to look at the main navigation bar. Click on Domains and then select Domain Portfolio from the submenu. This will list all the domains you currently manage under your account. Locate the specific domain that is throwing the DNS error and click the Manage button right next to it. Once you are inside the management page, you need to find the section labeled DNS or Nameservers. This is where most DNS-related errors originate. You need to ensure that your settings are explicitly set to the official hosting or nameservers to maintain proper connectivity. Please double-check these carefully. You should see two specific entries that need to be there. The first one is ns1.dns-parking.com, and the second one is ns2.dns-parking.com. Make sure these are typed exactly like that without any typos. After you have updated these two fields, be sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the section to apply your changes. Changing your name servers is a critical step, but keep in mind that DNS propagation is not instantaneous. Once you have saved these settings, you may need to wait for a little while for the internet to recognize these changes globally. Propagation can usually take anywhere from a few minutes up to a few hours, depending on your service provider. Just be patient, leave your settings exactly as they are, and periodically try reloading your website in your browser after some time has passed. Once the DNS servers have fully propagated throughout the web, your site should resolve perfectly without those error messages. If this video helped you resolve your DNS issues, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.